County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Murray Lake, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees, roofs, and siding. This severe thunderstorm will be near Colton around 7:10 p.m. Mount Carmel, Lavelle, Murray Lake, Locustdale, Buck Run, Branchdale, Wilburton number 1 and Forestville around 7:20 p.m. Ashland, Nickersville, Jarrettville, Fountain Springs, Arists, Petroville, Wilburton number 2, Seltzer and Marlin around 7:30 p.m. Shenandoah, Frackville, Altamont, Englewood and New Boston Moya around 7:40 p.m. This includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 107 to 139. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties.